Thank you for joining us and becoming a CredSharer. Let's get you set up by following these quick steps. We know that sometimes new tech can be challenging, but we're here to help you get started. CredShare works with all kinds of file types, but we prefer PDFs, so now's a good time to track down those certificates and get them ready to upload. If you're struggling to access your vaccination certificate, you can access it through your Medicare Online account or Individual Healthcare Identifier service through MyGov or your Express Plus Medicare app. Now you should head over to your email inbox. Before we kick off, let's make sure you've received your invitation to activate your profile. Remember to check your spam or junk folders. The next step is to set up your account. Once you have the email open, you will see a large orange Get Started button that will take you directly to the CredShare website. The email you use must be the same as the invite email. Follow the instructions on the screen to create your password. You must include a number and a special character. After you've submitted your password, we'll email you a 6-digit verification code. So head back to your inbox and don't forget to check your spam filter. The email will come from noreply@credshare.com. Once you have it, copy the code, head back over to the CredShare webpage you were at, and paste the code into the activation code box and click Send. Now you're ready to log into CredShare for the first time. After pasting your verification code, you will be directed to the login screen. Log into CredShare using your email and the password you created earlier. After you're in, you can respond to your Cred requests by looking at your latest requests on the homepage. Click the View button next to the request, and you will be taken to your Cred Central dashboard where you can see all the Cred requests under the My Requests tab. You can accept the request by clicking on the request itself. A slider will then appear. Click on the green Accept button. You will then notice a green Fill in Manually button on the bottom right side of the slider, under the Cred preview. Click the button and you will be able to upload your Cred. And there you have it, setting up your account and responding to your first Cred request in under 10 minutes. Thank you for joining us today.